This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about candy bags, specifically these flat-bottom, heat-sealable food or sandwich bags. And you might be wondering why you might want some of these products. And if you have a candy sweet shop, a bakery, or a deli, or just if you like to do a lot of baking at home, or say maybe even making gift baskets, these little bags are a great idea. They're a nice clear plastic. They have, oh, if I can get this one open, fantastic. Beautiful little gussets that give you extra space, right? That gusset is the extra width or depth there on the side. And they also have these nice little, you can see the reflective surface. It's a silver bottomed kind of paper insert, and it's like a little paper board. So it's just a flexible kind of sturdy piece of paper down in there that's going to allow it to sit really flat. It's also going to make it a little more stackable. So if you're using these, say, to do some merchandising, this is going to allow everything to sit nice and flat. As you can see, we've got candy in the bottom of all of our bags. And it's going to help you when you're merchandising, make things look neat, cute, make them a little more stackable. Right? And the plastic that's used to make these is also heat sealable, which means that you can use twist ties, ribbon, or anything of that nature to bunch and tie off the top of the bags. You can fold them over and put a nice little branded sticker on there if they're for your business. Or if you have an actual heat sealing machine, you can use that on these to create a nice tight seal and to keep product really fresh. So they're versatile in that they're versatile in how you can finish them off and seal them up, whether it be something quick like a sticker or a twist tie, something fancier like some pretty ribbon, or something nice and tight and airtight like using a heat seal. They come in a bunch of different sizes, and we have them kind of all laid out here. And so the end is the 4x4x9, so you can see it's nice and deep. It can hold a lot of product. And then there's some smaller ones like the 2x1.5x5. The 2x2x8 is in the back, so good for things like small chocolates, longer things like maybe a dipped pretzel or biscotti. They also have some great 3x2x6.5, and also 3x2x8, which might be great for some things with a little more height, a little more depth, maybe packing a few small bulk items, and some larger sizes over here. Like this one is 7x4x9. Great for, you can see if you want to do something like pack a larger item, like small baguettes, croissants, sandwiches, and also this one in the back, which is 5x3x12. So there's a lot of different size offerings. So you want to make sure that you're buying the size you need. So take a few minutes, think about what you're going to be packing it up, whether it's candy, snacks, pretzels, bulk items, coffee that you're selling by the pound, dipped chocolates, cookies, or anything else, whether they be sandwiches, croissants, small baguettes, and really plan out which size you're going to purchase so that you have the items that fit your needs and that you can use them effectively.